Hubble Space Telescope, the most powerful telescope ever built. It took many amazing pictures of cosmic objects. Some of them helped us to understand the universe and also changed the way we think about it. The work of Hubble has revealed many mysteries of the universe, the way it was built, and how it works. But it looks like the journey of Hubble Space Telescope is going to end soon. Hello astrothinkers, welcome to Nemesis Physics. Yes, what you have just heard is right. The Hubble telescope can be at its end. The telescope which gave evidence for many unsolvable mysteries and helped us to understand and solve them and taken us to the new heights of scientific advancements can end its mission to serve humanity forever. Wait, what am I saying? It must be wrong. Because NASA said Hubble is going to work until 2030. Then how can Hubble possibly at its end? Is it starting to fall from orbit? No, actually Hubble got a technical problem. Looks like it's a major one. Its payload computer is not responding. This computer is the one that controls the telescope and also checks whether all the scientific instruments are working properly or not. And moreover, this computer also stores the images taken by the Hubble before sending them to NASA. And this payload computer is not responding to the commands of NASA. So even if Hubble is capturing the images, it can no longer store images to send them to NASA. So we can say that this computer is the brain of the Hubble and it's not responding. So we can say Hubble is in coma because NASA is saying that all the other instruments in the telescope are healthy. But even if they are healthy, we cannot control them because the payload computer of the Hubble, which is the most important part, is not responding to NASA. And NASA has sent a command to a main computer of Hubble commanding it to keep alive, and the computer is not responding. But some of you may think, why NASA has not kept a backup computer if this main one is not working properly or got a technical problem? Actually, it did. In 2009, when Hubble got a technical problem, NASA has sent its astronauts in space shuttle to settle the technical issue. In the process, if something happens to the payload computer in future, NASA has sent astronauts to keep a backup payload computer in the Hubble, and they did. But this backup computer is also not working. It may be because NASA has not used this backup computer since 2009. But when did Hubble stop working? It's since 13th June 2021. And some of you may have got another idea that why can't NASA send its astronauts to the Hubble and solve this technical issue as it did when it got in 2009? The answer is super simple. NASA has no means of transport to transfer its astronauts to the Hubble because the spacecraft which used to take astronauts to the Hubble and space through NASA is Space Shuttle, which is retired 10 years ago in 2011. So there is no chance for astronauts to go to Hubble and fix the technical problem. It's very important for NASA's technicians to bring back Hubble because research of many astronomers is dependent on the observations made by the Hubble. And moreover, is there a harm for the people on Earth rather than the research of astronomers? Yes. Actually, Hubble is not completely out of Earth's atmosphere. It's in the top atmosphere of the Earth, which is very thin and very less densive compared to the atmosphere on the ground. Even though Hubble is in space, it will face little resistance because of the atmosphere of Earth. So Hubble will fall slowly from its orbit every time. But this process is very slow, so it will take a lot of time for Hubble to fall back to Earth. NASA estimates if we leave Hubble like this without elevating its orbit, it will fall by the time of mid-30s. Hubble is a big satellite, so it will not get completely evaporated by the resistance offered by the atmosphere while it's falling back to Earth. So there is a chance that some of the major fragments of Hubble may fall on populated area and cause a major damage. So it's very important for the NASA's technicians to bring Hubble back online. And moreover, NASA has gave its word that Hubble is going to work until 2030. So I'm sure NASA will try its best to bring Hubble back online. Some experts are saying that it may take months for the technical team to solve this technical issue as it's major. At present, all the scientific instruments of the Hubble are in safe mode so that they will not get damaged while payload computer is not working. Okay guys, if you have any questions regarding science, then please ask me in the comment section below. And if you like the video, then please click the like button below. It motivates me a lot. And if you are new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button below and on the bell icon. And share this video with your friends and family. Okay guys, thanks for watching and I hope to meet you guys in my upcoming videos.